So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space int space ip space reset. Click on enter again. And now you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. Now once you type these commands in, it will tell you to restart your computer. Don't restart it yet to complete the next steps in the video. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in VPN settings. Click on it. Make sure that you have no current VPN connection active. And then you want to head over to search again and type in proxy settings. Click on it. And then do the same thing. Make sure you have no active proxy connection set up. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to double click on it. And then you want to click on properties. And then you want to click on Internet Protocol version 4. And now you want to make sure that you have this on obtain an IP address automatically selected. And then you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to select this one right here. And then for the first line, you want to make it 8888. And then for the second line, you want to make it 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up. You want to click on this. If any problems are detected, it will tell you to fix it. And now for the next step, you want to head over to the web browser that you're having a problem with. So I'm on Google Chrome. I'm going to click on the three dots in the top right. And then click on history. And then click on history again. And now I'm going to click on delete browsing data. You want to make sure that you have time range, all time selected. And you want to make sure that you have cookies and other site data and cache images and files both selected. You can unselect everything else, that's fine, but just make sure that you have cookies and cache both selected and then click on delete data. And then once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.